Hi, I'm Matt with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Boise, Idaho area. So, um, with carpet maintenance, often you'll get little tufts of carpet that come up like this, and it's not a defect, it just happens. So, these are actual carpet scissors because they're designed to go like this, but normal scissors work fine for this. You just have to be a little bit more careful with the angle, but it's really not hard to do. So if you ever get these, don't panic. You shouldn't really pull them. The best thing you can do is just cut them off like that. So I'm going to do one with the normal scissors. Just cut it off like that or like that. Um, but it's not defective. We kind of joke that carpet's a lot like hair. You know, your hair falls out, it comes out, it needs cut. Sometimes you just need to trim some pieces that do that. So it's not defective. Oh, look, there's one more. I've been saving this for this video. Um, but this carpet's been in for, I think, 5 years now, and it just sometimes happens. Various things can happen. Pets can dig for a little bit, which is good if it's just for a little bit, because obviously if they keep going, they'll cause some damage, but it's not a big deal. Just get some scissors and cut them off. Don't pull them, especially if you have looped carpet. You don't want to pull those because that's really bad, but it's really easy to take care of. Just get those scissors out and give them a trim. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, please just ask them below and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.